Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Option expiration. We get the Dow Industrials down 85. Nasdaq's off 7. S&Ps are down 4.5. Gold contract up $16.40, trading at $12.94 an ounce. Silver up 21 cents, $17.21 an ounce. Let's get over and take a look at this gold contract. So Wednesday, this past Wednesday, we go topside. We hit a 12.90. You do it with volume, big volume on Wednesday. It couldn't hold price. Volume-wise, we had 434,000 contracts. End up closing that day at 12.77. We backed down yesterday with 274,000 contracts. Guess what? You're taking out the swing point out here today. You get 362,000 contracts. Bottom line, we're on our way to 1308. More than likely what you're doing, we're on our way probably to the 1362 level. We're going to take a look at the silver contract. What do we have at silver? Silver also caught a bid. Oil caught a bid. Silver is up 1.2%. You're up 21 cents in the silver market. Silver, let's go to the December contract. We're rolling right now. That's what we're doing, folks. So we have a couple different contracts we're looking at. So we take a look at the silver contract. And right now, the December contract's up 21 cents. You've done 97,000 contracts. Now, with silver is right next to its swing high out there from October 16th. It's $17.49. We've hit $17.38. Silver also wants to make that run up to the September 8th level, which is $18.29. And if we do go over to the yen and take a look at the yen, that correlation is pretty direct. The yen out here fell apart today. Yen goes from a price point of 113 to 112.13. We take a look at that, and what you're going to see, you're going after the lowest swing point, more than likely on Sunday night. We're going to go after that swing point, 111.69. You break that, and guess what? It's in a consolidation. The top of that consolidation was 114.49. The bottom, going right back to September 8th. The correlation is pretty amazing. 107.32. You get 107.32 in that baby, and that you're going to see gold go topside in a big way. The GDX, what do we have inside the GDX? GDX out here has 23 million shares right now. You have 26 cents. Bottom line, this is good volume. What you're going to see at the end of the day inside this GDX, that's how the volume comes in. I expect you're going to see big volume here. We've already done 23 million. You're going after a swing of 28 million. It looks to me, I suspect we're going to do about 28 to 30 million. That'll be taking that swing out. GDX is going to be on the way up to this $23.99. Notes, 10-year note, next. 10-year note, bottom line, folks, these notes and bonds, they just refuse to go down. The 10-year note right now, we've done 1.1 million contracts. You're at 124.29. Bottom line, that wants to make a run up to this 125.15. You take a look at the 30-year. The 30-year really has some big juice in it, and the 30-year has been leading the 10-year for quite some time. 30-year out here, we're at 153.27. Your swings up here are like 154.26. 30-year looks to me like it also wants to go to the September 8th. So you can see the correlation. The high in gold is September 8th. The high in bonds is September 8th. The low in yen is September 8th. That's where those babies are heading for. What I expect you're going to see a lot of action Sunday night. NASDAQ Composite. Let's go take a look at the NASDAQ Composite. Well, first, Dow Industrials. Let's take a look at the Dow. So Dow Industrials down 90 bucks. 90 bucks might as well be a flat market right now, folks, because 90 bucks at high numbers like this, we are still at the same place we were going till October 24th. And what will happen at the close out here, we're going to get some volume. So the correlation is going to be very subtle, but you're going to have lower prices and you're going to have an expansion of volume. NASDAQ Composite. What do we got with the NASDAQ Composite? NASDAQ Composite right now is trading at a price point. There we go. NASDAQ Composite's trading at 67.85, and that looks like it's going to actually close at the highs for the week. It's down slightly, but that's bottom line. We reached a higher high. That baby wants to close up into those highs. We go take a look at the NDX. Same type of setup inside the NDX. What you have with the NDX, you're down 20 bucks. But bottom line, put it on a weekly, and guess what? You're at highs. The high for the last week was 63.46. Your high for this week was 63.52. Right now you're at 63.18. Oil contract. Let's go take a look at the oil contract. Oil contract also caught a bid, which is really intriguing. Oil contract had 131,000 contracts. You're at 56.58. This baby wants to go for the highs of 57.92. If we put this on a continuous contract and take a look at it, we'll put this on a weekly basis right now on a continuous contract. And this baby looks to me that you're going to actually get up somewhere into the 62 area. Because the 61 to 62, yeah, 62. 62 area, folks, was the swing highs generated out there in May of 2015. It took a bit to get over the last swing highs of January. We were trading about 12 weeks on a consolidation in January. It pulled back. You went up to that level again. You took it out, and you took it out with volume. We go take a look at the dollar index. Dollar index is going to help the metal market also, because what you have with the dollar index, they're selling the baby off. You're at 93,540 right now, and down 314 ticks. You have a 16,000 contracts. This is building cause to break below its breakout area of 93,365. And bottom line, the dollar index hasn't been able to, well, this was the first bounce that it had from September 8th, and we're November 17th now, since last April. So what I expect you're going to see is that dollar index is going to build more cause to get down to the low of September 8th. And we break that, you're off to the races to 88. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.